Hey guys, welcome to your third Roblox Lua scripting tutorial. We're going to be covering inbuilt functions, and we're going to probably go pretty in depth with them as far as using a lot of them and basically just using quite a bit of them. So, open up Roblox Studio. And insert a part into workspace along with a script. So, let's just define the part. So now part equals the actual part, and you should have the new user interface right here. It should look like this. If you don't, just find settings, and let's see. Just go through all these settings, and there's going to be an option like use new UI or something, and select that and restart Studio, and it should look like this. So once it does look like this, go to View and select Object Browser. So this is going to become really handy whenever you're scripting and just forget about stuff or want to see if certain things are valid or not. So on the left side right here, we have our actual value type. So like parts and, well, like class names, so like parts and frames and all that stuff, corner wedge parts and whatever. So just press P to go to the P section and then find part. And once you click part, all these options come up. So let's see. All the blue things with the blue little whatever they are, like bricks or something, those are all properties of the part. These are all events of the part. The lightning bolts are the events, and the purple brick are inbuilt functions. So we're going to use events to fire inbuilt we're going to use events to then fire an inbuilt function. So inside a part, we see that we have touched. So we can then go part.touched. So that's the event. Part.touched connect to a function. So this is called an anonymous function whenever you just do it this way. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. So whenever the part is touched, print touched. And if we play this and find the part and then touch it, we get an error because I did print wrong. But just because I want to bring this up, just because we know that it errored means that we do know that it understood that it touched, so therefore it ran this code. So, in a way, the error was good. So whenever you touch it, you can then see that it prints touched. Okay, so that's not the point of this video. Because that's just using a event to make it do something, but we're actually going to use inbuilt functions like clone, destroy, clear our children, break joints, and stuff like that. These are very helpful. So once you have your setup looking like this, we can just then do part colon clone. Actually, let's define this. So let's just do new part equals part clone. So it's essentially saying workspace.part, and then it's going to, if I can lift that up, returns a copy of this object and all its children. The copy's parent is nil. So it's going to basically copy the exact object with all its children. Um, it says that the copy's parent is nil, and this is very important. So if you clone it, it doesn't know which parent to assign it to, and so we're going to have to tell it that, and that's the point of the variable. Because if we just did that, then we wouldn't know which part this is. The new part, which part that is. So new part, so now it's defined as new part. So new part dot parent equals workspace. So this is going to take workspace dot part. It's going to clone it, and then it's going to parent it into workspace whenever the original part gets touched. I'm just going to zoom it out, and you can see that whenever I touch it, it doesn't stop. That's actually really, really cool. Okay, oh, it's because whenever it clones it, the part's actually touching it, which is making it fire over and over again. So that is why. So there's a cool way to create this effect if you guys want to know. Anyways, so let's actually, I don't know if I want to do that. So never mind. So that's using the inbuilt function called clone. And it does what you think it does. It clones it. The only thing that you need to make sure you remember is parenting it. Destroy. It removes the object and all of its children. And the rest of the stuff is stuff that you really don't need to know. So it's pretty straightforward. Part. Actually, let's keep the clone there. And then let's do wait 1 new part destroy. So basically we're only using this section of the code. And this is just for effect. So let's see. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. And it keeps it lag free. For some reason it stopped. There it goes. So let's make that wait like 5 seconds. And then let's see what this looks like. Looks pretty cool. So it's just something you can make. Using destroy and then clone. So just simple code makes cool stuff already. Another thing is, let's see. I guess we could do break joints. I had trouble with this actually. So anyways. Okay, group that. And let's just say model equals workspace dot model. And get rid of all this, and then we can do model break joints, and hopefully this works. Okay, yeah. This is actually going to only fire. This brings up a good point. This is going to only fire whenever the part gets touched. And right now, part's not defined, so I'm just going to get rid of this. And so it runs automatically, so we can just add a wait 1 or something. And you can see after 1 second of the game being active, it breaks joints. Let's just then do and then And if you want to know if there's a make joints, you just go to part and then just find make joints, which there is. Um, this should work. I really haven't ever read that description. I want to see something. Yeah, okay, so it didn't work because nothing was actually connected to it. I figured that. So, it, like, let's see how it, okay, I'm not even going to bring that up. So, there's make joints. I think you guys get the general idea of how this works and stuff. I don't know if I need to discuss events anymore. It's pretty straightforward, guys. So, you know, workspace, even though it's nil. Wait, not workspace. I meant part. Workspace dot part. Dot. Then the event. So let me just do this. Object dot event connect function, and then so that's essentially what this is. So if you guys can always come back to this and then look at that, and it should help you out. I think this is it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and all that stuff. I'll see you in the next video, which I'm about to do right now. Anyways, see ya.